In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users in Jira through the user management settings. If you need to onboard a new developer, add a product owner to your Jira workspace, or give a teammate access to your project, this process is much easier when you know exactly where to go. Instead of digging through menus and wasting time, you can handle everything from Jira's central user management area in just a few clicks. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian cloud site. You can either enter your company's Atlassian address or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your account credentials. Once you're signed in and the main dashboard has loaded, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear icon. This is where you'll find the administrative options needed to manage access. After the settings menu opens, look through the list and select user management. Clicking this will take you into the main access control area where Jira shows the accounts connected to your organization or workspace. This is the central place for reviewing existing users and adding new ones. Now go to the upper right corner of the user management page and click the Invite Users button. This opens the invitation window where you can enter the details for the people you want to add. In the email addresses field, type the email address for the person you want to invite. If you're inviting more than one person at the same time, you can enter multiple email addresses by separating them with commas or by pressing enter after each one. This can save time when onboarding several team members at once. Next, look just below that field for the product access section. Here, choose the Jira product access you want the new user to have, such as Jira Software or Jira Product Discovery, depending on what they need to work on. Under that, you'll also see the optional groups drop down. Use this if you want to place the user into a group that controls permissions and visibility, such as a software users group or a developers group. Choosing the right group up front helps avoid access issues later. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner of the invitation window and click Invite Users. Jira will send the invitation email and create the pending access request. As a final check, return to the main users list and confirm that the newly invited account appears with a pending status. That lets you know the invitation was sent successfully and is waiting to be accepted. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.